Okay, so we're out here at the skyline, Dallas skyline with the Trinity River Bridge and the Margaret Hunt Hill Bridge right behind me here. I'm just going to try to get some time lapses and some photos to take a look at the flooding out here. Get some unique stuff, so let's check it out. So this is where the river usually flows, right between here, like between that set of trees and the pillar on this bridge. But as you can see today, it goes all the way across the entire banks. It's easily, I want to say 6 or 7 feet of extra water, because well, when I say that 6 or 7 feet above the ground, it's actually more than that, because the river's usually not full. It's usually 6 feet below the small banks of the river. So, that might be a good 10 or 12 feet of water. But like this little sign down here is basically, that's a little taller than a human. And the fog today is very abnormal for Dallas. We don't see this type of fog.